Good morning children. I am Sarita SS from Sri Gokulam School, Vadagara. Now I am going to teach you the synthesis of plant food other than carbohydrates. In the last class I taught you about the preparation of food by green plants with the help of some inorganic substances such as carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. So, with the help of this carbon dioxide, water and sunlight, the green plants can prepare their food that is carbohydrates, and it is stored in the plant body in the form of starch, and that process is known as photosynthesis. After photosynthesis, oxygen is released. So, let's see that equation. So, carbon dioxide CO2 plus water that is H2O, that is water, gives in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. In the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, the product is carbohydrate, and the carbohydrate is also known as starch. And along with that, oxygen also released by the plants after photosynthesis, and this process is the photosynthesis. Okay, so this carbohydrate or starch, we can write the chemical formula C6H12O6. This is the carbohydrate or starch which is stored in the plant body. That means the carbohydrates consist of carbon. So C stands for carbon, H stands for hydrogen, and O oxygen. So these are the components of carbohydrates or starch. Is it clear? C6H12O6 is the carbohydrate or starch which consists of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Is it clear? And plants through photosynthesis synthesize carbohydrate or starch. Along with the carbohydrate, the plants can also synthesize some other components or other substance. Let's see which are the other components. Okay. So is it clear about this? Okay. Now we can see which are the other components. So as I told you, C6H12O6 is the carbohydrate or starch. By using these components, the plants can prepare other substances such as proteins, fats, vitamins, etc. And out of these components or substances, proteins are nitrogenous substance. What is meant by nitrogenous substance? Nitrogenous substance means the substance which contain nitrogen or N2. Okay, so the substance which contain nitrogen are called a nitrogenous substance. Protein is a nitrogenous substance. So how do the plants get this nitrogen? As you know, the nitrogen is present only in the atmosphere. From the atmosphere, the plants cannot trap nitrogen. They cannot take the nitrogen from the atmosphere directly. So how do they get this nitrogen from the atmosphere? Let's see. Okay. See, through rain or lightning. So due to rain, we can see, due to rain or lightning, the atmospheric nitrogen reaches the soil. So the nitrogen reaches the soil due to rain or lightning. So in the soil, the roots of leguminous plants, what is meant by leguminous plants? Gram, pea, moong, etc. are called leguminous plants. The roots of leguminous plants consist of certain bacteria, and the bacteria present in the soil. The bacteria are known as rhizobium. So rhizobium are special type of bacteria present in the soil. These bacteria can convert this nitrogen into soluble form or usable form. Soluble form or usable form. Okay, so first the nitrogen from the atmosphere due to rain or lightning reaches the soil, and the soil consists of some rhizobium bacteria. Actually, this rhizobium bacteria are present in the roots of leguminous plants that I will show you. The roots of leguminous plants contain some bacteria called rhizobium. This rhizobium convert the nitrogen in the soil into soluble form or usable form. I will show you. See, this is rhizobium. You can see rhizobium. Here rhizobium, so many rhizobium are here in the leguminous plant. So leguminous plants. Leguminous plants. Leguminous plants means gram, pea, moong, etc. Okay. So the roots of the leguminous plants consist of a special type of bacterium known as rhizobium. Okay, as I told you, due to rain or lightning, the atmospheric nitrogen reaches the soil. Okay. In the soil, these bacterium called rhizobium convert the nitrogen into soluble form or usable form. So this rhizobium convert into usable form or soluble form. So then it gets mixed in the soil. So the plant can easily absorb from the soil. Is it clear? In this way, the plants get nitrogen from the soil. Actually, who help the plants to convert the nitrogen into usable form, or who help the plants to take nitrogen? This rhizobium. It's a kind of bacteria present in the leguminous plants. Okay. And this rhizobium convert nitrogen present in the soil into usable form. Then the plant can easily absorb through water and minerals. Okay. Is it clear about the absorption or synthesis of other materials or other components other than carbohydrates? Okay. Now we can see next area. So autotrophic nutrition is over here. So autotrophic nutrition means the nutrition in which the organisms derive their food from simple inorganic materials. They can prepare their own food by themselves. Okay, they are depending on simple inorganic materials only. They are not depending on living things. Okay, so they are depending on simple inorganic materials, and with the help of that materials they can prepare complex chemical substance such as carbohydrate. In what form they can store in the plant body? In starch form. Is it clear? Can I get into the next topic? Heterotrophic nutrition. Okay. Here we can see heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition is a nutrition in which the organisms derive their nutrition or food from other living things. Okay, so we can write the definition. Nutrition in which organisms derive their food or nutrition from other living things. Other living things may be plants or animals. Okay, other living things means other plants or animals. And the type of nutrition is called heterotrophic nutrition, and such organisms are called heterotrophs. Such organisms are called heterotrophs. Example, all the plants and animals other than green plants. Except green plants, all other plants and animals are heterotrophs. Is it clear? And now we can say there are many types of heterotrophs. In this class we have to study only two types of heterotrophic nutrition, and they are, first one, types of heterotrophic nutrition. We can see types of heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition. The first one is parasitic nutrition. Parasitic nutrition. And the second one is saprotrophic nutrition. Saprotrophic nutrition. Okay. Now we can see the parasitic nutrition and saprophytic nutrition in detail. Here, the first one, parasitic nutrition, means the nutrition in which organisms derive their energy from other living things. They are depending on others for food and shelter. Okay, the organisms or the nutrition in which the organisms depend on other living things for their food and shelter. Okay, but in case of saprophytic nutrition, the organisms depend on dead and decaying matter that we can see in detail. First we can see parasitic nutrition. Parasitic nutrition, what is the definition? We can say parasitic nutrition is a type of heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, so here the nutrition in which organisms depend on other living things for food and shelter. For food and shelter, the organisms are depending on others. Such nutrition is called a parasitic nutrition, and such organisms are called parasites. Such organisms are called parasites. Okay, an example for parasitic plant is, so parasitic plant is Cuscuta. I will show you the picture of Cuscuta. It is also known as Amarbel. I will show you the picture. Then parasitic animal is lice, mosquito, ticks, etc. Ticks are the animals which seen on the dogs. Okay, ticks. So these are the examples of parasitic plant and animal. Out of this we can see the Cuscuta, the parasitic plant. Here, this is the Cuscuta, parasitic plant. Okay. Here, these are the Cuscuta, and it climbs on other plant. Okay. So this is the host plant. Host plant. Host plant means the plant on which it climbs. Okay, the plant on which the Cuscuta climbs. This is the host plant. Okay, so this Cuscuta climb on the host plant and derive food and shelter. They depend on this host plant not only for food, for shelter also they are depending to the host plant. They are depending on the host plant for food and shelter. Okay, and here this is a type of parasitic nutrition in which the plant obtain food and shelter from the host plant. Is it clear about parasitic nutrition? Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.